Before I can teach this lesson, there's an important video that you must watch. Let it begin. Billie Jean is Marketing presents Keys vs. Degrees, starring Professor Bill. Students with lots of debt and nothing to show for it. And Billie Jean, the marketing machine. Alrighty, welcome to Parallelograms 101, where you'll discover the magic of isosceles triangles and obtuse angles.
Excuse me?
Yeah!
Exactly how is this going to help me open up my own restaurant? I thought the point of a business degree was to help me learn how to...
Or help me open up my own clothing line.
Oops, got a fuzzy.
Or help me get more members to my yoga studio.
You see, they're all really eager beavers right now, but they'll learn more about business when we get to this piece of paper.
Excuse me, so you're telling them it's a good idea to borrow $50,000 to $200,000 to learn about parallelograms and to get a piece of paper?
Huh?
You're telling them that it's a good idea. You're telling them it's a good idea to borrow $50,000.
Do zebras have stripes?
Well, how long does it take for someone to make their money back?
Tomato, gelato.
2 years? 3 years? 4 years? A decade? A century?
No, earmuffs.
Professor Bill?
Earmuffs. Oh, gosh.
What percentage of graduates even land a job in their field of study?
Quite the challenging questions you have there. Well, Mr. Genius, do you have a better suggestion?
I think I do. You are now cordially invited to join Billie Jean's Gene Pool Elite, private group training for the world's most genius marketers. Every month, we'll mail you a flash drive designed as a key. Plug it in. Learn something you won't in school and grow your business. And once complete, plug in another. Because the more you learn, the more you earn.
Excuse me, what in the AG double hockey sticks do you think you're doing right now? I'm trying to have class.
And he's trying to teach something that matters. Like persuasive writing, prospecting, and sales.
I don't understand. You're telling me that they would rather learn Facebook advertising instead of art history or Greek mythology?
Professor Bill, what I believe they're saying is that the idea of paying $1,000 to $3,000 for a course to learn some shit they're never going to use is, by definition, insane. And your pants are too tight. As a member, not only will you have access to weekly live trainings with me, but every single month I'll send you one of these, a key with a different skill uploaded. That's right, just plug it into your computer, implement it, and grow your business. And as a matter of fact, I'll even send you your first key for free, and I'll pay the shipping. I'll see you in the gene pool. Thank you for watching that video. Sometimes I get confused by all the different voices that I use, whether it's Professor Bill or the narrator in the story, or it's Sparta, or it's a pirate. I don't know because I'm weird. Anyways, that video that you just saw is a really real advertising campaign that we ran, and here's the ad that's accompanied with it. It says, "Stop scrolling. I need your address." That's a pattern interrupt right there. One, we tell the user to stop doing what they're doing, so by default, they have to respond. Then after that, we ask them a weird question. "I need your address. I don't know you, you're in my news feed. What's happening right now? You can't have my address." And then I say, "I want to mail you something your college forgot to give you." I explain what it is in the video below. Now I pique curiosity to get them to the video, and I give them a simple call to action. Send me your address here. www.keysversusdegrees.com. That's the landing page, the capture. P.S. I'm even going to pay the shipping. That's understanding my climate. That's understanding there's a lot of marketers out there who are using the free plus shipping. We're saying free no shipping, right? Billie Jean. And then I play that video, and in the headline below we say, is college really worth it? Okay. So from here, they then go to a landing page where we capture to gain distribution to build a real business. And when they get here, it's very simple. Can I keep it real? If you don't learn the skills on these keys, your business will not survive in 2017. Want me to mail you one for free? That's the headline. Can you give me the drawing? Actually, not yet. This is the headline, right? Headline, meaning I have 5 seconds to convince these people they need to stay on this page and read. So what do? I offer them something. Let me mail you something for free, right? That I just built value in through the video. Then I have the video again because a lot of people don't watch it all in the news feed because there's other distractions, and I need them to watch it so they understand what it is that they're selling. And then before we even go there, I give them more. I say, would you also like me to give you instant digital access to 10 other skill trainings for free? It's all yours when you take a 7-day free trial of the Gene Pool Elite. And then they can see a GIF showing physically, visually, exactly what's going to happen. You open your mailbox. Oh my gosh, it's a key, yay! And then you open that and you plug it in your computer. And now we're happy, woo! So we're visually showing the user how they're supposed to feel when they get their package. And then we go right into the call to action. When you start your trial today, I'm going to mail you our Fundamentals of Facebook Advertising USB skill key valued at $397 for free. I'll even pay the shipping. Wink face. Give me one more. Yeah, appreciate it. So, membership profile. Notice here, everybody, what are we really doing here? We're gathering distribution. Name, first and last, email, follow up, phone number, text messaging, address, direct mail. So already, guys, we're collecting real data. We're getting real distribution. And then on the step 2, we collect their credit card information. But if they don't fill out step 2, guess what? I still got distribution. I still got distribution. And who knows? Maybe we decide in the future that everyone who didn't give us their credit card, fuck it, send them to them anyway. Let's see what happens. We won't do that, but if we did, if we wanted to, we have the option to do it. Maybe we send them a text message that says, hey, you forgot to complete your order. Here's a link to finish. Oops. We did that, right? What I'm pointing out to you guys is that at the core of any landing page is this: a headline, a reason / offer, a call to action. What do I want you to do? The end. So the reason why you don't want to bring your traffic to a website, some of you have heard me say that before in previous classes, is because, very simple, there's just too many distractions. Someone's on Facebook, they're in a social playground. All they're looking at is their family, their friends, funny videos, etc. If you bring them to your website and you make them think too much, you give them too many options, you're going to overwhelm them. Simplify, chill out, right? Let your follow-up do all the work. So never send them to a webpage, right? Never send them to a webpage. Now, let me get the picture. All right, guys. So, as I was saying, in every landing page, there's a headline. And then there's the body, right? Which is the offer / the reasons. The reasons that we're here. Reasons, Earth, Wind, and Fire. And then there's the call to action, which is where we collect their data. So what does that look like on a blank piece of paper? Okay? 3 components to any landing page. You guys, listen, can you make a landing page much more complicated? Yes. Should you? Probably not. Probably not. All right? Offer, CTA. Here's a template for you visual people who like to have templates. All right, there you go. You guys happy now? There it is. This is called a headline. This is a video making them an offer to give you their information. That's the call to action, CTA. That's it. That's what you need to know about landing pages. Stop overcomplicating shit. Give people what they want and they'll like you. That's it. Give people what they want and they'll like you. Now, let's go back. This landing page is simple at the premise of it. However, if people are not sold yet, they do have the option to keep scrolling down, and I give them more reasons, right? So I just explained to the process. Every week you're gonna be invited to this, and we show them a visual representation of what that is. We say every new month, we're gonna mail this to you. We show them a visual representation as what that is. We show them, hey, we even have support and you can access them later. Then they see visual representation for what that is. I tell them we have guest speakers, and what do they see? Visual representation of what that is. So what is this really? Reason to give us your information. 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 Don't stop giving them reasons to give you information. That's how you collect distribution. And then we ask them again, are you sure you don't want to take the gene pool for 7 days for free? Reasons, people. Sometimes those reasons can be designed as case studies, testimonials from your people. I recommend videos because people can make shit up with quotes all day long. Sometimes those reasons could be the content. I'll teach you a short little copywriting hack right now. All right, be specific. Tattoo it on your wrist right now. You'll hear me say it all of the time. I say, skill number 1, the fundamentals of persuasive writing. Couple things, visual representation. I've said that a few times now. But what do we also do here? Individually priced at $397. Bitch, I can sell this for $400 all day long by itself. Value overload. Now, let me point this out to you. Watch this. We say the fundamentals of persuasive writing. Now, I could say here, you'll learn how to be a better writer and communicate much better so that you can talk to your clients and blah. Shut up! I want to hear that shit. So instead, what do I say? The email sequence that resulted in over 300 paying monthly subscribers and $29,100 of recurring revenue in month 1. Is that a little bit better than, I would like to show you how to communicate with your prospects better? Specific. The next one, fundamentals of great video content. My 6-piece $137 video starter kit that helped launch my 7-figure business. Can you say ROI? Guys, with the landing page, if you're trying to lead somebody to a call to action, give them everything but. Make them, here's a quote for you. Make them want to turn the page. Make them want to turn the page. So if someone just read this and said, my 6-piece $137 video starter kit that helped launch my 7-figure business is explained on the next page, I'm going to turn the page. If they said, find out how to communicate with your prospect better in video format, on the next page, and put this book away. Make them turn the page, okay? So anyways, I'm showing you guys how you go in more depth is you just keep giving reasons to do whatever it is you're telling them to do. In this case, we're giving them reasons to give us a lot of information, right? Man, they want my phone number, What else comes with that? Trust. Trust. Now, in my agency, every single client we work with now is required to use video. You hear that? In 2016, I believe like 97% of the clients we work with, video. It's not optional anymore. It's mandatory if you want to succeed, if you like money, I don't know. Anyways, the video also creates trust. It's not just demonstrating your product or service. It's saying this, hey, I'm Billy. I'm a real person. This is how I am. We mess around. We're silly. We act. Are you like that too? Well, very cool. We'll get along. And by the way, do you want me to mail you a key for free? Gotta like you first. If they don't like you, you're screwed. You lose. It's hard to develop likeness, trust, familiarity by just having a still image like this. And see the frame around me that they put around me, just like, it's very hard. Okay? So, anyways, that kind of gives the summary of the landing page, right? Like, again, I can virtually spend 6 months on teaching you about landing page and conversion rate optimization and all of those things. But let me tell you something. Right now, to start making money, master this. A headline, a video, a call to action. I'll give you a brief breakdown on each one. For the headline, give them a reason to stay. And there's a catch to that. That's congruent. That's congruent with the ad they saw to get there. There's not a quicker way to get somebody to leave your page than you say, hey, like, come to this website and I'm gonna mail you a key. And then they get there and there's a picture of us messing around in the office. It's like, what the fuck, bro? Where's my key at, right? Clear expectation, deliver on what you say. Next is the offer. Here's a trick. Ask yourself, would you do it if you were the other person? You know how many offers I've seen from people? And I'm like, if somebody asked you a one-day pass to the gym, would you put in your information? No, because you can find that anywhere. Anywhere. So be honest with yourself. Are you giving them something actually worth their time? And next, the call to action. Make it clear. And make sure it gives you a way to follow up. Because, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to landing pages, the only mission you have is to collect their information, to get distribution, because the fortune is in the follow-up. As a landing page simplified, and for the techie shit of actually how to do it, we like to use two services, ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, and my team will walk you through the boring part and do their best to make it not boring.